Welcome back to our last episode in this series where we are going to finish up framing up our roof. We don't have a whole lot to do. The only things that we have to do is we need to put up our fascia boards on the left and right, and then put in our cross beams for support and for the ceiling. And so let's go ahead and start that point. So I'm simply going to create a guide on this back edge. And then from that point, let's go straight up along the blue axis and type in 3.5. Here, I'm simply going to take a line tool, go straight up, and go all the way over, somewhere's in there, and let's create another one right there. We'll then create our bottom row, and that should close up that space. Take our push-pull tool, bring it out 1.5. Triple click on it, and let's make this a component. To get this the way we want to, let's bring it over here to our board. Let's go ahead and edit it, and let's trim off that piece right there. We can close that component and make a copy, bring it over here to that side right there, hit X8 and hit enter. Next, I'm going to bring one more right there and bring one over here to this side. We can erase our guides and any straight lines that you may have. Next, I'm going to take a rectangle tool and create a rectangle going all the way across there. I'm going to bring this out 0.75. I'm going to turn that into a component. Next, I'm going to take my tape measure and I'm going to create a guide, and then I'm going to lower this edge, hit my up and down arrow, hit my up arrow in order to make it straight aligned to the blue axis. And I'm simply going to bring that down to where the guide just touches that outside edge. Right now, our board is a little over 4 inches, or so we're going to go down 5.5. Edit component, push-pull tool, and bring that board down. We can erase our guides, select that board right there. We're moving it to the other side, so we want to make sure we move it from this corner. Hit Control, and let's bring it over here. You can hit the right arrow key on your keyboard to make it align to the red axis, and that way we don't have to worry about any kind of vertical movement. We do need to trim up this piece here, so let's go ahead and edit component. I got that little piece right there. Draw that in there. And we should be able to push pull it. And because they are all components, they will all do that. So that finishes up our framing project. We're not going to worry about the insides. That would be very similar to before. So we will stop this project here. Stay tuned for more projects on our playlist using both SketchUp for Schools and SketchUp Pro.